Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Lexus GX 460. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lexus has less than 142,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.